Hey gang, it's Sebastian with Smelling Great Fragrance Reviews. I'm here at Pitti in Florence, and I've got Josh Meyer here. He is presenting his fragrances, and we're going to talk about a new fragrance launch called
Telegramma.
If you want to find out about Telegramma, please stay tuned. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Sebastian with Smelling Great Fragrance Reviews. So, thank you for doing the video with me.
My pleasure. Love having you. Love seeing you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, how do you like Pitti?
Pitti's phenomenal. It's easy. It's very elegant. It's laid back. Lots of fun Italians. The food is the best. And never had so much wine in the last 3 days of my entire life.
Yeah, definitely. Wine's pouring a lot here. Mm-hmm. So, is this your first Pitti experience?
This is the first time. I mean, our brand has been in Pitti, but this is the first time that Ashad and I have come to Pitti in Florence, along with our distributor and brand.
Oh, cool. And you sell here, I guess?
Yeah, we're in a handful of retailers in Italy.
Cool. What's the price of your fragrances here in Italy?
€95.
€95, that's awesome.
Yeah. Cool.
So tell me about the new fragrance, because I smelled it recently, a couple days ago. It's very lavender focused.
Yeah. The opening is fougere, so it's a heavy spiced lavender absolute. We use the black pepper, a black pepper from Indonesia. Can you see that?
Wow. Great label, by the way.
Oh yeah, thanks. And the fun part is the transition. So from the lavender and the pepper into this woody accord with teak and Amyris wood. And then as it dries down, it's this soft, powdery, talcy vanilla. It's not edible, but it's very caramelly and beautiful and textural. So the powder is sort of the idea. So the talc accord is the focus of the entire project.
I did notice there was something sweet and caramelly under there as well. Is that what you mentioned?
Yeah. The talc. The history with these vintage aftershaves that this is based on is this idea of these light powdery vanillas. So I just decided to take that rich accord and add this fougere opening to it.
Cool.
So it's familiar, but extremely unique and different.
Is this the first time you've created a lavender focused fragrance? I think it is, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm glad you know my brand so well.
Yeah, I mean, what made you decide on lavender this particular time?
It wasn't me that did it. It was the perfume. So the talc accord, I started playing with it a lot, and the lavender was just simply the easiest and most fun and accessible. And it was fun because I haven't used it a lot. And lavender absolute, along with a couple of different lavender essential oils, is so beautiful and easy to work with. It's creamy and rich and big, as opposed to sharp and bright.
Mm-hmm. So when does it actually launch?
We should have this late October, early November. No promises. So, yeah.
What else do you have in the works for the future? Because this is right after Sundazed, right?
Sundazed was Byredo's copy of Sundrunk.
Oh my God, sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. They can copy us anytime.
Sundrunk was the last one, which came out in 2018 summer.
Yeah,
because I came over to your studio there and we shot that video.
Yeah. And it was the Neroli and.
Sorry, but Sundazed.
Byredo's not. They're happy.
Okay, sorry. Sundrunk. Sundrunk is the fragrance,
yeah,
which is a great orange fragrance. Really, really juicy oranges with Neroli, I think.
Yeah.
Cool. So then, anything cooking for the future? Any other styles that you might be doing?
I spent the last 6 months just designing perfumes every day. So my idea was I hadn't designed a fragrance in a long time, and so I decided I'm going to make one every single day, and come up with lots of fresh new ideas as well as extremely weird and fun things. So I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know which direction we're going to take, but it's a lot. I've been in the creative island of just making stuff all the time.
Cool. All right. Any last words you want to say about the new fragrance?
Get your nose on it. Sample first.
Okay.
Always sample first.
It's a great one, guys. If you like fougères or lavender focused fragrances, definitely check it out. Also, we have a giveaway, a surprise giveaway for the new fragrance. Telegramma. What should we give away, Josh?
We should give away a bottle, 5 samples, 2 travelers.
Wow, that's generous. Thank you.
You got to try it. Everyone's got to sample.
This is a USA giveaway, guys. All you have to do is please let me know. Put a comment down what your favorite lavender fragrance is, and please let me know what you liked about this video, and also please put down your state. Good luck with the giveaway. Other than that, please like this video, please share it, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I'll be back.
Imaginary Authors.
And of course, follow Imaginary Authors, and we'll be back with more videos very soon. Have a good one. Goodbye.